We're looking at homework from section 2.1. This is question number 12. Use the given minimum and maximum data entries and the number of classes to find the class width, the lower class limits, and the upper class limits. The minimum is 17, maximum is 128, and we have 8 classes. So we'll start with the class width. The formula for class width is that it's the maximum minus the minimum divided by the number of classes. So the maximum is 128, the minimum is 17, number of classes is 8, so 128 minus 17 is 111. Then when we divide that by 8, we get 13.875. We always round the class width to the next highest whole number, so the class width is 14. Then, to find my class limits, I'll start with the lower class limits. When building a frequency distribution, find the lower class limits by starting at the minimum data value, which is your first lower class limit, and adding the class width to obtain subsequent lower class limits. So I'm going to do this in table form. The first lower class limit is the minimum of 17. We add the class width to get the next lower class limit. So 17 plus 14 is 31. We add 14 again, and we get 45. Add 14 again, and we get 59. 14 again gives us 73. Then 87. Then 101. Then 115. So those are your lower class limits, which gives us an answer of choice B for the lower class limits. For the upper class limits, each upper class limit is one less than the next lower class limit. The difference between upper class limits is also the class width. So we'll start by finding the very first upper class limit, which is one less than the second lower class limit. The second lower class limit is 31, so the first upper class limit must be 30. Then we can add the class width of 14 to 30 to get the next upper class limit, which is 44. We add the class width again, and that gives us 58, then 72, then 86, then 100, 114, and finally 128. So those are your upper class limits, which corresponds to choice A. And that's your answer.